Today we are going to learn about how we can append list element to StringBuilder. So for that we need to list of element. Here we have three elements of list. And next step is need to create StringBuilder object. And next is using list iterator. For each I append all list element to StringBuilder. Now I add one SOP to check out all list element is successfully appended in StringBuilder or not. For that I run this program. Now list element is 1, 2, 3 and all elements is successfully appended in StringBuilder. Now I again add one element also. Here I use generic 52 and again run this program and check out. Output should be 1, 2, 3, 5, 2. So that's it. All elements is successfully appended to StringBuilder.